Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Wrangler radiator using an easy method. This is a straightforward job you can do yourself. First, let's gather our tools, including an 8mm and 10mm socket, pliers, a drain pan, and a coolant funnel. Safety is key, so make sure your engine is completely cool and disconnect the battery. Have approximately 13 quarts of new, pre-mixed coolant ready to go. Now, let's get that old coolant out. Position a large drain pan under your Jeep's radiator. Locate the drain valve, typically on the bottom passenger side, and open it to allow the coolant to flow out completely. While it's draining, use your hose clamp pliers to loosen and remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Don't forget to disconnect the small overflow hose and any electrical plugs attached to the fan shroud. With the coolant drained, it's time to remove the old radiator. First, unbolt the cooling fan assembly and carefully set it aside. Next, detach the air conditioning condenser, which is usually held by 4 bolts, from the front of the radiator. Then, remove the two 10mm mounting bolts securing the radiator at the top. Gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Now, carefully lower your new radiator into position, ensuring it seats correctly. Great job! Now, let's finish up. Reconnect all the radiator hoses, electrical plugs, and secure every mounting bolt. It's crucial to fill your new radiator slowly with about 13 quarts of fresh 50/50 coolant. Using a coolant funnel helps prevent air pockets. Once filled, start your engine with the heater on full blast. This helps bleed any trapped air. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge and check for any leaks. After a test drive, recheck your coolant level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.